Hey guys, welcome to Fit Up to 50. Welcome to today's workout. My name is Paul and today we're working on the legs. It's been 6 years of Monday and Thursday workouts. Never missed an upload. So make sure you join us, join me, subscribe, hit the button, whatever. Make sure you come back for more workouts. Like I said, every Monday and every Thursday. All right, enough of that. Like I said, today we're working on the legs. We're gonna start with a little bit of warm up. It's gonna be 40 seconds on for everything and 20 seconds off. It's gonna be about 16 minute workout if I counted everything correctly. But that's what we're doing. I'm tired of counting, so today there's gonna be a clock on the wall and I can just talk to you guys throughout this workout. Starting off with some squats and starting about 20 seconds just to warm up, lubricate those knees a little bit before we move on to a little bit heavier work. If you're using dumbbells for this, is great. Try to make them challenging. If you're just starting out or for whatever reason you don't want to use any resistance, you can do all these exercises without any resistance, just with body weight. We're getting started in 5 seconds. Just some light squats as low as we can go. Right now, 3, 2, 1. And this is kind of where I'm starting. I'm just warming up. Hopefully by the end of this workout, I'll be able to get down lower. Right now, this is it. So it's perfectly fine. Just warm up with me. 40 seconds, like I said. Little bit of squatting. Working on those legs today. A little bit at a time. I'm already starting to go a little bit lower. Feeling a little bit better. For some reason I have goosebumps. I'm not sure why. Here we go. 12 seconds, guys. 10, just squat with me, nice and easy. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds, just kind of shake it out a little bit. Going to forward lunges, same thing. You can just take a step forward, give it a little knee bend, step forward on the other side, a little bit of knee bend. We're just warming up. Hopefully by the time the 40 seconds up, the little knee bend will become more of a lunge. Ready? In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, just step forward and back, nice and easy, forward and back, back, forward, back, forward, nice and easy. So next exercise is going to be still a warm up. We're going to do a backward lunge. Backward lunge is a little bit easier on the knees, but we're just getting the heart rate going, getting some more blood pumping through his legs, and getting a little bit of mobility before we actually start a workout. As I'm filming this, it's 5 in the morning, so I need this warm up. And the workout's coming out tomorrow. Today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, and this workout's coming out tomorrow. So quick turnaround for me. All right, 10 seconds, and we're gonna do step backwards. Same thing, backward lunges, nice and easy in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and step back. Back up. There we go, nice and easy. Like I said, try to go down a little bit further with every one. Warm those legs up before the work starts. And it's not that much work, there's really nothing to worry about. Just enough, I feel it's just enough to get those legs moving. A lot of creaking going on, but as I do these, becoming less and less. All right, next exercise. It's gonna be a goblet squat. We're going for 3 sets, so 3 sets of 40 seconds. And 1 second, and when the warm-up is done. For my goblet squats, I use these heel lifts, especially if it's the first workout of the day, kind of. They help me with my mobility. Right there. And we're gonna grab our weight, and I gotta move a little quicker here. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and nice and slow. Down and up. Down, up. Keep going. We're not rushing through any of these exercises. Down, up. So more time under tension, and up. And we also don't want to get hurt. Up. 15 seconds left. God, it's nice not to count. I just have to stare at my phone with me with the clock countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. And that's set number 1. So by now you probably know the preview is here. The clock is there. If you haven't realized that yet, you're still sleeping. It's okay. As long as you're moving with me, right? All right, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3, 2, grab that weight if you're using it, and let's go. Down and up. down, and up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Keep going, up. Try to stay as upright as you can. No rush. Go as deep as you can. I'm trying to go deeper and deeper with every repetition that I do. Up, down, up. I also apologize if the camera is a little skewed today, this way or that way. Not sure why. When I put it up, I have like markings on the floor. Today it was kind of like in one direction. Don't know what happened. Probably because it's the top of the treadmill. I run on top of the treadmill, so maybe the treadmill got skewed. Last set of goblet squats. Here we go. Down, up. Keep going, guys. If the energy's right. The reason why we're going slower on these, aside from little time under tension, is because for goblet squats, whatever dumbbell you have at home might feel a little bit light. So we're just slowing it down, making the exercise a little more challenging. And up, down, up, down. Keep going, less than 10 seconds left, and about 10 minutes of working out left all together. 3, 2, 1, down, and put the weight down. All right, next one, we're not gonna need these. That's for sure. Like I said, I like those heel lifts. We're going to a forward and backward walking lunge. I don't have a lot of space here, so I'm taking a couple steps forward and a couple steps back. So walking lunges, ready? Go 1 and down, 2 and down. And I'm gonna go backwards for 2 steps. 1 and back, 2 and back and forward. 1, boom, 2, boom, and back. 1 and back, 2 and back. Push off. There we go. Forward. Ready? 1, if the energy's right. 2 and back. 5 seconds left. 1, and I'm gonna stop at 1. Time is what the time is. I need a break anyway. Those are tough. As long as you guys notice me, I like walking and facing the dumbbell, kind of like putting it between my legs as I step forward, not just staying like kind of straight on. I like twisting in the direction of my walk. All right, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and here we go. See, I kind of do this, 1, and then I kind of do that on the other side, 2, and then backwards. Ready? 1, push off. 2, don't walk into the wall, push off, close. Here we go. 1, high quality production here. 2, and I'll step up a little bit and backwards. 1, push off. 2, push off. 1 more set, at least half a set. 1, 2, and at least 1 step backwards. This clock is running out. 1, and push off. All right, that's 2 sets down. 30s are a good weight for me for these. 15 seconds of relaxation, shaking it out, and then we move for the last and final set of this exercise. 3, 2, 1, grab your weight, and let's go. Forward 1, forward 2. If you have more room than I do, take a couple more steps forward before you start going backwards. 1, 2, and then forward. 1, 2, and backwards. 1, 2, 10 seconds left or so. 1, 2, and then back. 1, let's do 1 more. Finish it up. And 2. Woo. All right, next one, we're gonna need a single dumbbell. We're gonna do something very similar. Gonna walk and twist. This is gonna be forward, straight to a backward lunge on one leg with a twist, and then same thing on the other side. Grab your weight, step forward, twist, step backward, and twist the other way. And switch legs, ready? Forward, twist towards your forward leg, and back and away from the leg that's going backwards. Ready? Twist, up, keep your balance, don't be like me. Backwards, twist, and I gotta step up a little bit since I'm losing room. High quality production, like I said. Forward, twist, backward, twist. 5 seconds, forward, twist, and I'm running out of time. Well, that was convoluted, partially because I really don't want to walk into this wall and fall. Anyway, set number one down. That's not gonna be the preview. Let's see if I can make the second set look a little prettier. That's a tough exercise. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we go. Ready? Forward and twist. Backward and twist in the other direction. Beautiful. Switch legs. Forward and twist. Backward and twist in the other direction. That's what I want to see. Forward twist. Backward twist. Switch legs. Boom. 1, 2. Running into the wall again. It's okay. 1, 2. One left. 1. Let's finish it up. And 2. There we go. There's 2 sets down. This one wasn't as embarrassing. 1 set left. Hey guys, if I'm on camera making a fool out of myself, you can be behind the camera and working out and make a fool out of yourself. Have a good laugh. Laugh at me, laugh at yourself. It doesn't really matter as long as you're moving. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Forward twist. Last set. Backward twist. Forward twist on the other leg. Backward twist. There we go. Ready? Forward. Nice. Backward. Keep it up. Boom. Keep on stepping backwards. Forward. There we go. And back. 10 seconds left. Forward. Back. 5 seconds left. Let's do one more. Ready? Forward. Back. All right. No more weights. Thank God, because that was awkward. All right, get down on the ground. Single-legged glute bridges. We're gonna go for 2 sets per leg, but we're gonna alternate sides, right? So 40 seconds on left, 40 seconds on the right. Single-legged if you can. If not, do both. Otherwise, leg up and just push. 1, 2, 3. I know it looks like I'm barely lifting, but trust me, I'm trying. Stay right here. Keep pushing those glutes and those hamstrings. About 15 seconds left. Keep going. This is really helping me with my bum hamstring. Keep it up. Two, 1, and relax. So 20 seconds of highly, highly appreciated rest right here. 10 seconds left. Keep it right here, guys. Keep it right here. 5, 4, switch sides. 2, 1, and raise. Up, down. As high as you can go. 1, 2. Little tiny brief hold on top so your ass doesn't fall straight down to the ground. Under control. That's what we're looking for. 20 seconds left, keep going. Keep it up. 5 seconds. These are tough. 2, 1, last one, and relax. Whew. Shake those legs out a little bit. Here we go. 2 more sets left, 1 per side. All right, we're almost done. After that, we're working on a little bit of calves, but that's going to be an isometric hold. We got that in the bag. Not a big deal. 5 seconds left before we get started. 3, 2, 1, get ready and push. 1, 2. Nice and control. 3. Oh, feels much better second time around. Keep it up. 4. See, I'm counting again. It's this obsession with counting that I have. I don't have to count today. Keep it up. Squeeze it out for 20 more seconds. Keep going, don't stop. 10 more. 10 more seconds, 5 more reps. About 3, 2, 1, relax. 20 seconds of vacation time. We are almost done, guys. We have what, 2.5 minutes left? Yeah, something like that. A little less. So I miscounted my intervals. Well, look at that, there's a freaking surprise. Don't worry, we're not gonna miss the calves. We'll get those in there. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Boom. Boom. Keep it up. Keep going. 20 seconds left, a little bit more. Nice and controlled. Squeeze. Keep it up. 5, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. Well, officially on the clock, my workout has ended because somebody miscounted, but that's okay. Just because the clock says we're stopping, we're not stopping. I'm going to look at my watch. So we get a rough estimate of how many repetitions, how much time there's going to be left, I should say. 40 seconds still going to be up on the wall. Try to get a 20-second rest. These are just isometric calf holds. I want your knees to be bent. So let's get started in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and hold. And push up. You can hold on to something. Knees are bent and hold. 40 seconds hold as high as you can. Let it burn. Let them feel like you're gonna get a Charlie horse. That's all right. Keep it up. Keep pushing. Knees are bent. Keep pushing. I think we have 20 seconds left. We'll find out. We're gonna keep going until I say stop. Good counting by me, by the way. It's supposed to be 18 intervals. I think I put 16 intervals into the clock. So I lied. This workout is not 15, 16 minutes. It's more like 18 minutes, but that's okay. 3, 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds of pure joy and relaxation. Then we're gonna do one more. Same thing, knees bend, calves up, strengthening that soleus muscle. It's gonna help your Achilles. All right. 3, 2, 1, and up. And hold, knees bend, and press up. On your tippy toes. We start off 35 seconds after, 35, 5 after on my watch. That's when we're stopping. For now, we still have ways to go. So hold and press as hard as you can into that calf. Knees bend. But obviously hold on to something. I'm gonna hold on to something because otherwise my ass will be on the floor by now. Keep it up. Keep it up. I think it's only 5 seconds left. Did I go by that quickly? You know what? Let's do 5 more seconds. Just in case I screw this one, which is quite possible. 3, 2, 1. Let's do 5 more. Let's do 5 more. I lied. 3, 2, 1. I swear to God, this is it. That's it. All right. I don't know what the last interval was. I have no idea. But again, thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. I hope you guys enjoyed this leg workout. Yes, the back end was kind of convoluted, but I wanted to finish what I wrote on the board. I just miscounted the intervals. You know, maybe if it wasn't 5 in the morning when I'm recording this, you guys get better content, but I'm sorry. You get what you get. My name is Paul. This is Fit After 50. Don't forget, over 6 years right now, Monday, Thursday workouts. We've never missed an upload. So I see you guys during the next workout. I'll be there for sure. I'll see you then.